Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE Blade 20 Max, and today I will show you how you can boot this phone into recovery mode. So, to get started, you want to hold or press more like power button and volume up at the same time. This will bring up the boot options, and from here select power off. Now your device will turn off, and when it does, again hold power button and volume up. And let go of the power button when you feel the vibration of the device. You'll be taken to the bootloader first, so using only volume up, you want to make sure that recovery mode is selected with this arrow right here. So I'm gonna keep on pressing it till the arrow jumps to the top, and once it does, press volume down to confirm it. Give it a moment. It looks like nothing will happen for a moment, and next we'll be presented with this. So when you see this page, you want to hold power button, and while holding power button, you're going to press volume up. And this redirects us to the recovery mode. In here, we're going to be using both of the volume buttons to navigate, and volume up will now go up, and volume down will navigate down, while power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected in blue. Now going over the options, we have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android, reboot to bootloader, which will take us back to the previous page, enter fastboot mode, apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, run system, view logs, run tests, along with power off. Now I'm going to stick with the first option, confirm it like I mentioned with the power button, to get back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.